How to add or remove scripts. Your script means it might be any stock, shares, or commodities. In the Tradekaro app, you can trade in forex, commodities, indices, stocks, and crypto, all on a single platform. First, click on the plus button located in the upper corner of the Tradekaro app. Once you click on this button, a list of all markets will appear. If you want to add scripts from Indian markets like NSE futures and options or MCX futures and options, click on the Indian option. If you want to trade in international markets like crypto, forex, US stocks, or COMEX markets, click on the international option. Now we can add scripts from different markets one by one. Whenever you add a script, the Tradekaro app will send a notification to confirm it. After adding all the scripts, return to the app's main screen where you can scroll through the bottom of the page and see all the scripts you have added. If you want to remove or adjust the orders of script in your watch list, please follow the below steps. Click on the pencil icon located in the dashboard corner. Remove a script by unchecking the right tick. Drag the three-line icon to adjust the scripts according to your preference. And then click on the tick on the top right corner to save this interface. How to change the watch list pattern from simple to pro and pro to simple. The Tradekaro app allows you to easily customize your watch list. In the watch list, simply touch any available script and the options list will open at the bottom. In this options list, click on a simple view to convert your watch list into simple mode. To change it back, repeat the same process and select Pro View to convert your watch list into Pro mode. This feature in the Tradekaro app is equally useful for both beginners and advanced traders.